Walker quiet flow stainless steel muffler on a square body C10. Pretty much all the same. Big blocks have the dual exhaust, small blocks have the single exhaust. Nice quality, not expensive, sound great. Quiet. But it has a nice classic verbal sound to it. Had magnaflows before, so I stepped from a magnaflow 18-inch to this Walker, and I must say they do sound better in my opinion. It's just a little bit more refined with the drone, and slightly more civilized, but it still has a nice V8 sound. So that's it.